So we have fifth law, Avogadro's hypothesis. Avogadro's hypothesis. So Amelia Avogadro was a famous scientist who introduced this hypothesis. So we can define this Avogadro hypothesis under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, under STP conditions. Equal values of gases should contain equal number of molecules or moles. Amelia Avogadro clearly distincted between what is a molecule, what is a mole. So he gave the difference between molecule and moles with this statement. Under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, equal volumes of gases should contain equal number of molecules and moles. Is called Avogadro's hypothesis. Value is directly proportional to N under similar conditions of temperature and pressure. Value is directly proportional to N. N is the number of molecules. Number of molecules will give the number of moles. So, under STP conditions, any gas at the room temperature STP condition will occupy the volume 22.4 liters of the volume, which is called molar volume, we say, because the molar volume consisting of the mass, 1 mole of mass, which is called gram molecular mass, we say, gram molecular mass, 1 molar. So this is 22.4 liters is called molar volume. This molar volume consisting of 1 mole, and in 1 mole, so molar volume containing the particles how many? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. If atoms means atoms. So the mass of Avogadro number constant, weighing that weight equal to gram molecular mass. So that gram molecular mass occupying the volume is molar volume. That molar volume is equal to how much? So under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, 22.4 liters. And if you make this 11.2 liters, the particles number decreases half. So 3 into 10 to the power of 23. So the molar mass will become half. So if you decrease the volume, number of particles will decrease. If you increase the volume, number of particles also increases. So any gas, for example, 32 grams of oxygen gas occupy the volume how much? 22.4 liters. And so if you take the chlorine gas, 71 grams of chlorine gas occupy the volume same. And if you take hydrogen, 2 grams of hydrogen gas occupy the volume how much? 22.4 liters. And from this, what we can conclude? So hydrogen is the lighter gas, whereas the chlorine gas is heavier one. More weight, less value. Less weight, more value. Hydrogen gas is the lighter gas, we can say. So this is the Avogadro's hypothesis. Under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, equal volumes of gases should contain equal number of molecules and moles. So the scientist who clearly explained about molecules and moles. So this is the laws of chemical combination.